Welcome to ROZZY'S Life. On the menu today will be breakfast. I'm going to show y'all a delicious breakfast you should prepare for a lot of friends and family. This is so simple and quick to make, and it is absolutely delicious. And if this video helps you in any way, go on ahead and go down and subscribe, and don't forget to press all. And if you will go on ahead and give me a thumbs up if this video helps in absolutely any way. So right here, I was just getting the mix together, for the French toast sticks. And I do have another video up for delicious French toast sticks for the full recipe. I'm just showing y'all me making them because, hey, people are on their way over here to eat this morning. And I need to go on ahead and knock this out right here for especially the little people. Y'all know how children is, little finger food people, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go on ahead and pour all of that mixture in this pan. Now with my cut up bread, y'all, just go into Walmart and get the bread that's on sale for $69.49 or whatever 9 cents it is, right? Just go on ahead and get that bread, bring it home and cut it on up. Put it all in this goodness right here, okay? And go on ahead and let it soak up all of that goodness. You can do it right away because everybody gonna be looking because everybody is hungry this morning. So just go on ahead and get those all soaked up and all of that goodness. And we're gonna go on ahead and fry these babies up. And when I tell you they are good, they are delicious. Okay, so go on ahead and get those ready. Now make for sure you do have butter. Go on ahead and put some butter in your pan. Let that go on ahead and melt because we're about to put some French toast sticks on top of that butter and just let them toast. And just kind of peek at them to see if they're, getting toasted, and just turn them. They are toasting perfectly. Oh my goodness. Now I want y'all to go on ahead and get your syrup. Now if you're using powdered sugar, don't even worry about the syrup, but go on ahead and get your syrup so we can pour it in a pan because we also want that, a little pot, and we also want that to be nice and hot. All right, so go on ahead and put that syrup in a pan so it can get warmed up. And just pour directly on that French toast sticks, baby, and enjoy. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Make sure it ain't too hot now for them babies now. Just warm it on up. Give it a little heat. Just a little bit. Yum, right? Let's go on ahead and hit these eggs. Now I always put my eggs in my blender. Always. That way they get nice and fluffy. I put some heavy cream in there. You can also use milk. Just go on ahead and mix that up. Put them in a pan and let them go on ahead and start cooking. Put a little bit of cheese in there. That'll make them even extra milky. Oh my God, fluffy. Do you hear me? Now, y'all don't forget to season them eggs, okay? Gotta have some kind of flavor to it. You don't want no blah, 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 blah eggs, okay? Go on ahead and put a little seasoning on that thing and just let it cook on up. And don't put too much cheese either. You don't need that much because you're going to top it with some cheese. Now, check out them cheese eggs. Let's hit this bacon, y'all. Now, y'all know bacon is a no-brainer, so you just put it in the pan and fry it on up. Bye.